Welcome back, everyone. If you've been following me over on Twitter, or X, as they like to call it nowadays, and you'd be aware that I made a Vechain update earlier today. And what I've been suggesting in my past videos, as well as that Twitter update, was that as long as 4111 holds a support, I'm actually not expecting a deeper retracement. Now, of course, lose it, and we just come down to the moving averages. But because that very day where we confirmed the 618 support, but made a wick down over here, we then shift our focus from the 618 to that new wick 411, as I mentioned, and you can now see there's two boxes of support basically. So with that, there's double the chance that we can go up from this point and continue as we were just doing previously and get a nice another pump up into the price point of around 7 to 9 cents, or just slightly beneath 8.9 cents. This is what we're anticipating. This is what I personally believe is going on and what we will eventually see going forward. Guys, if you've been following me since September, October time, we've been calling for this rise all the way since down over here. There were multiple bullish divergences appearing at these locations. So 3 bullish signals, if you remember that video. And this is where we were calling for us to return to this high and then this high. And eventually, once we break out of all of this, we're going to target the next high, with a stumbling block being this level of support. That is exactly where we're running to as resistance at the moment, and exactly where we took advantage of this huge bottoming out setup over here that I gave you exactly from the very bottom. Guys, I called it from exactly that candle. I said if this candle reclaims the low, confirms it as support, then breaks out of this inverse head and shoulders, we're going to see a break of this high. We took advantage of this in the Discord community using 8.78x leverage. And as this was a 64% move, we gained a total of 567%. We're confirming 75% of this position at that price point, which was that gain that I just mentioned. From this, we could, of course, come down a lot lower. This is why I wasn't willing to give hundreds of percent back to the market. But the reason why I kept some exposure in this position is because I always believe that Vechain will continue higher. This is what a bull market is. We're going to eventually break all of those highs in the past that we see over here. We're looking to break that top high over here, but we need to work our way through the levels of resistance. So this was a macro double bottom that we were calling from last year, and now that we have broken out, you target the next high, the next so we're just working our way on all these lower highs that we created. We're trying to bust through them and make higher highs. So we've done so through this area. We came back, corrected. This is where I called the bottom, and we took advantage of this. As this is a stumbling block, this is why we got out 75% of the position, taking significant profits, confirming that 570%. And now, if we can continue to hold 4111, then we will just get that continuation anyway to 7 and then 8.9 cent, which will bring another gain for us holders. And of course, with this leverage trade of about 65%, which is just a complete repeat of this. So a lovely gain over here once we get up there, and then to this price point over here, 104%. So very exciting times up ahead for Vechain holders. I want to know your thoughts down below. Do you think we'll correct beneath this, roll over, come back down for a key level, maybe 3.5 cent, and then have another go at continuing? Or do you believe that 4111 will continue to hold for the bullish continuation? That is it from me today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. It's really appreciated if you could get this out to as many people as possible. If you want to tag me in your Vechain charts or your Vechain analysis over on Twitter, it is appreciated. I'll definitely retweet it to bump up your engagement as well. So yeah, we work together, we'll grow together as a community. Hopefully we can hit 10K as quick as possible. If you want further content and to get in on trades just like this Vechain one, where we profited over 567%, then get in the Discord community. We have so many cryptos in there, and it's ever growing. We have a crypto for every single market cap category. So from a million, 10 million, 20, 50 million, 100 million, 200 million, a billion, 5 billion, and so on and so forth. So we're looking, we just have we just dipped into every single category. So we got the AI, narratives, and a lot more. I can't go into too much detail. It's saved for the community, but this is what you can expect over there, as well as those weekly live streams where I mentor you, all for only $25. And it just enables me to keep bringing you these daily updates with all this free valuable information. Cheers, everyone.